Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Michelle here with us this morning, and Michelle and her husband Mark flew all the way down here from Murfreesboro, Tennessee. That's up around my old neck of the woods in southern Illinois, in northern Tennessee, right?
About
mid Tennessee, yeah. Okay, so let's have you close your eyes and then bend your head forward and backwards for me. I already done Michelle's orthopedic neurological test and found out she has SI joint subluxations, lumbar spine subluxations, thoracic spine subluxations with the ribs, and cervical thoracic subluxations. She's a side sleeper, head's forward and over to the right. And her pelvis is translated a little bit left of center. She's got more room on the right here than she does the left. So this is Michelle's very first time of seeing a chiropractor ever. So we're going to adjust her on the BioPhysics table first. Let's go ahead and lay you on your tummy with your face down in there. Did I find all your sore spots, Michelle?
Yes, you did.
Did I miss anything?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. See, her right leg's short by ½ an inch. It gets even when I bring it up. That tightens up in your low back right there, doesn't it?
Yes.
That's a positive Knockless and Deerfield test. So I'm going to adjust her SI joints first. The right one. Now these bones will be a little sore here at first, Michelle, just because they've been out for a while. There. And we're going to straight P to A to L5. I know that was sore. There's L4. L3, L2. Oh yeah. Crack Addict's gonna love you. There we go. Okay. There we go. Good. We're getting ready to post some original Johnson ring dinger compilations, knee chest compilations, cervical palmar rotary, modified rotary brake compilations, and of course some crack addict compilations for you. So those will be coming up in the coming months, so watch for those. We have a lot of other YouTube channels stealing our videos and putting them up in compilations, so we're going to do our own, so you'll have the original. There. There it is. Okay, you can go feel your head popping up a little on this next one, Michelle. Yeah, it's a little more significant than it looks on the YouTube videos, isn't it? Atta girl. Okay, let's turn you on your back now.
Woo.
There we go. Make you break sweat yet? Not yet. Give me time. Okay, slide down this way a little bit. There you go. That's too far right there. Good. Now put your arms straight out, palms facing up. Adjusting your shoulders, your clavicles where they attach to your sternum, and then your costosternal joints here. These probably a little sore too. Okay, you can relax your hands on your tummy. Let me have your leg here. Drop this right in my hands.
Okay.
There we go, better.
Oh, crap.
Okay. Well, you guys came down here in a good week. And last week it was in the 20s, and it's going to be 70 here today. Let's sit you up, face that way. So you missed the ice. And
Oh, we had plenty of it back home.
oh, you got plenty of that up in Tennessee
yes,
now?
sir.
There you go. Boy, they heard that one over at the high. Yep. Good girl.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, we're just getting started.
Mm.
There. Oh, hang on. Let me do it. Don't try to help me. I don't need your help.
Okay.
There we go. Okay. So, let's come over here on this table. Give you your first ring dinger. We're going to have you lay with your pelvis right there. Head up that way. Don't worry, I don't have any heads on my trophy wall. I won't start with you. Okay, slide down underneath that just a little bit for me, Michelle. So what I'm going to do with this adjustment is basically just stretch your spine out a little bit. Just let your legs bend and relax naturally. This is how I recommend people sleep. And you say you've been sleeping like this a little bit, right, on your own?
She does.
With your legs elevated like this?
Yeah, but she got her feet kind of tucked over her butt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So legs pumped up like this. If they're parallel with the floor, that should feel more relaxing in your lower back right now. With the exception of these big old pins. Okay, it's gonna go right under your skull, under your jaw. Breathe through your nose. Oh yeah, I got you.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Now, I don't really have to ask if you felt that all the way down, but did you feel that all the way down?
That is probably the best anybody's got my legs to reflex ever.
But did you
That
feel
was
that
amazing.
Go all the way through?
That was amazing, yes.
Good.
Oh my God.
Okay, let me have you. Let me do it. Wiggle your left big toe. There you go. Now wiggle your right big toe. See, there you go. I'll get you one way or another, Michelle.
Yeah, she probably in control.
Yeah, see, control freak.
Yeah.
You know what? While you're laying there on your back, I'm gonna adjust your feet for you too. I notice your toes are kinked up a little bit. You probably feel pain down there every once in a while too, huh?
I do. They cramp up in my sleep.
They do?
My toes do, yeah.
There we go. Well, when you watch our videos, you watch me adjusting people from head to toe all the time. Literally. There you go. There we go. Should have felt those in your ankles all the way up into your low back. Okay, let's sit you up sideways. There you go, big girl. Let's stand you up over here in front of the mirror now. Wow. You did great on your first time.
I survived.
Yep. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. And back to neutral. Your range of motion's already improved, and so has your biomechanics already. Look how squared off her shoulders are right now. So let's pull these up and back. We're going to bring that head straight back and then look back at the wall behind you. You're going to feel a little tap right there. And another little tap right there. Okay, relax. Now this time, Michelle, when you go forward and backwards, tell me if this feels any smoother to you than the previous one did.
Yes, sir.
Like I put a little WD-40 in there?
Yes.
Very
A
good.
little bit. Thank you.
So this is your very first chiropractic adjustment ever, and you came all the way from Tennessee to do
Yes.
it. How did you feel with your very first adjustment?
That was amazing. Absolutely worth the trip.
Okay, good.
Thank you so much.
You're quite welcome. Thank you for
Appreciate
sharing
it.
your adjustment story with everyone. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.